Thought I'd throw together a quick video of a 2013 X5 35D that had a no crank, no start situation. I've only seen one other person have this issue, so I don't know if it's all too common, but sure was a mess. So, long story short, could not communicate with the DDE, had it towed to a local dealer. They wanted to replace the DDE. This is tuned and deleted, so it wasn't a great option for me. Ended up having it towed home so I could continue troubleshooting. Found out pretty quick. One of the first things I did was take off all the connectors to the DDE, and the first thing I found was diesel within, I think this is module 3 here. I've cleaned it up since, but it was just soaked in diesel. So was the DDE. It's been draining out on my bench here for a couple days, and then I ended up cleaning it out with contact cleaner. Popped the cover off. It's all siliconed on, so it's kind of hard to get off, but popped it off, cleaned it out with silicone or contact cleaner. Fingers crossed that it's still good. Cleaned out all the electrical connectors here. But really the source of the issue, right? How does diesel get into the DDE over there? All the fuel comes into this driver's side, the motor. And this was actually the exact same issue that another member on X-Beamers had. The low pressure fuel temp sensor, which I've already replaced, leaked internally, and it's on a pressurized line, so it pushed diesel through the wiring harness all the way up into the DDE. So awesome. Have since replaced the low temp fuel, or the low pressure temp sensor. It's on this braided line here. It's under here, the connectors down under here. It's hard to see on camera. But essentially it's this line here, comes around. So replace that, have to take the intake manifold off, of course all the plastics. And while I was here, finally finished all my silicone vacuum lines, new O-ring on the water pump flange, or the coolant flange, and about to put this back together and hopefully it fires up. But just for anyone else having no crank, no start, M57 35D, you can't communicate, I'd be looking at that DDE first thing. That's it.